How to show or hide lock screen wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. From the Quick Settings page, tap on the Settings icon. Then we scroll down. From here, tap on Lock Screen and AOD. Next, tap on Always on Display. Tap on the left hand side panel. Then in here, go down and tap on Show Lock Screen Wallpaper. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Here, this is what it looks like when you turn it off. I go to my lock screen. Then on the lock screen itself, it doesn't have any background wallpaper. It just shows a black screen, which sometimes can be good. It can help save battery power by not displaying a brightness on the background. Here we can switch it off. So if you turn it on, then on your lock screen, you will now have a background wallpaper. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.